Hi, I'm John Kelly. I'm a personal injury attorney that focuses my practice on birth injuries throughout the nation. Throughout this series, we've covered a range of birth injuries, and from initial physical traumas to long term conditions like cerebral palsy. While the medical details and statistics are important, what lies at the heart of each topic is the human story. The babies born facing challenges and the families who love them fiercely. As a parent caregiver reading this, you know that whatever you are feeling is valid. The road that you're on can be hard, but it's also filled with meaningful victories and an incredible community of people who have walked similar paths. Your child, no matter their limitations, has a world of potential within them. With early intervention, medical care, supportive therapies, and an inclusive environment, children with birth injuries and cerebral palsy can surprise you in the best ways, breaking expectations and achieving milestones doctors might have initially doubted. Maintain hope and take one day at a time. Celebrate your child's unique journey, whether it's the first step after years of therapy or the first time saying mama with the help of a communication device. These moments are huge. Equip yourself with knowledge, as you are doing now, but also remember to care for yourself in nurturing the whole family's well-being. Don't hesitate to ask for help, whether it's learning from friends, joining a support group, or speaking to professionals. There is strength in community and in accepting assistance. Lastly, keep in mind that you are your child's greatest advocate and source of comfort. The compassionate, professional care you fight for and the love you give daily make an enormous difference. The road may be long, but you are not alone on it. Countless families, specialists, organizations are out there, walking beside you and ready to lend a hand. Together, you can ensure that a birth injury is not the definition of your child's life, but rather just one part of their rich story. A story of courage, resilience, and the power of family support. Each day, step by step, you are helping your child write that story. So in this series, I've gone over as comprehensively as possible all the information that I think could be helpful for families going through birth injury and having a child in their family that it has deficiencies that they're looking into and trying to find support for. I can empathize with these families because, this is something that's very difficult to accept and then also kind of turn and help the child and figure out what's going on. And so there's a lot to consider. Your legal considerations are just one of the considerations that you have. And, that's why an attorney here that helps you kind of navigate the legal field can be helpful to find you the support that you need. And sometimes that is financial support after a legal claim that can really solidify your foundation for caring for your child, meaning medical necessities, setting them up for a good future with therapy, and making sure that your family has support needed for indefinitely into the future. If these things sound like they might be something you would want to explore, you can freely call me and ask me additional questions. There's no charge for a consultation. And I just want to look over the records typically first to determine whether there's a viable claim here. And if there is, we can sit down and talk about what that means and what to expect in the future. Hopefully this series was helpful in your endeavor to learn as much as you can about your options and what's available to you. If you have additional questions, I'm always available here at Kelly Law Team at 602-283-4122.